We purchase car insurance for two reasons. Firstly, to fulfill state requirements. Secondly, to protect our assets in the event of an accident. While the premiums you pay may seem like an unnecessary expense, you will be grateful you made that monthly sacrifice if you get into an accident. Without it, you would be responsible for repairs to your vehicle or the expense of new one, medical bills incurred due to the accident. In fact, if you are found at fault, chances are you will also have to pay for the damages incurred by the other party, which could include medical bills, wages, property damage, etc. So when you think about it, paying those premiums is well worth it. The only hitch is that not all car insurance claims are accepted. A car accident can be an extremely traumatic experience, especially if your claim is denied. The first step is to make sure that you drive safely. When you compare auto insurance rates, you'll find that the people who have clean driving records and zero claims get the best deals. However, even the most careful driver can get into an accident. Taking a few measures can protect your well-being and increase the chances of your claim being accepted. Immediately after an accident, try and do the following. Call 911. Doing so will allow you to alert paramedics and the police, both of which are necessary in the aftermath of an accident. Even if there are no obvious injuries, all parties need medical attention. The effects of shock, whiplash and internal injuries often have delayed and long-lasting effects. Having a police report written up will ease the car insurance claim process considerably. Take photographs. Photographic evidence of the damage done to all vehicles and property, of debris, of any injuries and anything else that might be pertinent in aligning fault, or even ascertaining the extent of damage caused. Other parties' information. Get the other party's phone number, address and especially insurance information. If they are found at fault, their insurance provider will cover any damages incurred by you. Gather witnesses. Ask bystanders what they saw and if they're willing to provide witness accounts. Take down their names and phone numbers. Their testimonies could be vital in ascertaining who was at fault. Ascertain whether the damage is enough to file a claim. Note that your claims record reflects accident and this affects prospective auto car insurance quotes and rates. So don't file a claim unless you absolutely have to. Instead, evaluate the damage. See if you can afford to fix it yourself, and whether the deductible and/or possible hikes in premiums will be worth the value of the claim. Inform your car insurance provider ASAP. If you decide to file a claim, call your insurance company as soon as you possibly can. The sooner you inform them about the accident and give them all pertinent information, the sooner your car will be up and running. Also, you should ensure that the following items remain in your car at all times. Not only will they aid people around you in getting you necessary help as soon as possible, but they will also allow you to gather evidence that may later be vital to ascertain fault. License and registration. You are required by law to have your license and registration with you whenever you are driving. When police is called to the scene of the accident, they will most likely want to look at your license and registration, so ensure that you have them at hand. Proof of insurance. This is another piece of documentation you need to have when driving, and failing to produce it can earn you heavy fines. In context of an accident, it will also facilitate the exchange of insurance information between both parties. First aid kit. First aid kit could potentially save your life. If someone gets injured during the accident, the first aid kit can help tide them over and give them at least minor medical relief until the ambulance arrives. Cell phone. Be it calling 911, informing family, friends, and even contacting your insurance provider ASAP, your cell phone is extremely valuable, especially in the aftermath of an accident. List of medical conditions. A list of medical conditions: diabetes, heart problems, allergies to medication, etc. will allow paramedics to give you the required treatment even if you are not in a position to inform them of special precautions or needs. Disposable camera, camera phone. Having a camera on hand will allow you to take photographs of the accident and damages, which will help assign fault, and also provide your insurance company with accurate information about the accident, which will increase the chances of your claim being accepted. Airbags. Airbags save lives. They are so effective that car insurance companies will probably offer you a discount for installing them. In purchasing insurance, you are purchasing a sense of security and an ease of mind. By following the advice provided above, you can entirely avoid your car accident claim being rejected. However, if your claim is rejected, all your premiums have gone to waste, which can leave you feeling cheated. Remember that if you feel like your claim has been wrongfully denied, then you have the option of filing an appeal with your state insurance commissioner. Bethany Collins is a mother of two who works from home and lives with her husband. She is a voracious reader and always looks out for happening topics related to personal finance. She specializes on subjects related to car insurance and uses her spare time to write on topics related to motor home insurance quote and classic car insurance rates. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.